Hello, beautiful. It's Minna from Zenny Beauty Cosmetics, and it's my birthday. So I figured I'd share with you my 2024 signature look. I'm starting out with my Zenny Beauty Custom Blend Foundation, and you notice I applied it in the middle of my face, and that's what you want to do it like a spotlight. You start in the center and blend out to the edges. Then I'm coming in with a black chubby pencil. This is in the color charcoal. These pencils, I have a set of these pencils coming out in the spring, and you're going to align the waterline on the bottom and the top. And the purpose of that is to fill in the lash line and to define your eyes. So it really will define the shape of your eyes. Then I'm coming in with something special, and this color is called Hyacinth. It's an eyeshadow, and I'm applying it strategically. And by applying it the way I'm applying it, gives my eyes a glow. If you'd like to learn more about this, let me know in the comments, and I'll do a separate video on how to create a glow with your eyes using eyeshadows and color theory and all of that. Then I'm coming in with black liner, and this classic look that I'm creating is toward my makeup personality, which is classic with an edge, and I'm doing a wing liner. As you can see, I already have lashes on. I applied the lashes first off camera, and I did my brows, but part of this look is wing liner, lashes, brows, and great skin. Coming in now with medium deep concealer and applying it again strategically in a fan shape all in around my nose, the outer corner of my eyes, and in the smile lines underneath my brows. And then I'll also you'll see I'll come in and put it on my chin. And the reason for this is I want to highlight only certain areas and take away from any fine lines that you might see on my face. And that's why I apply this. This applies to older women, or unless you have lines on your face as a younger person. Blend that in, and I'm coming in with Universal Setting Powder, but this is a special one that I've created specifically for the eye area. It's extra light. It has firming ingredients in it and moisturizing ingredients specifically for the eye area. That's coming out in the spring. Come back in now with Ultra Matte Finishing Powder, and then finish that off with makeup setting spray. Let that dry. And then now I'm coming in with on the eye area again, and this is our dark blot powder. I think it's dark in the shade tan, and that powder I'm applying where I applied the concealer. Again, it winds up just making my skin look perfect, and you don't see any fine lines or any discoloration. Now coming in with blush, that's my favorite color blush, that is Earth Red, and you notice I'm applying that a little bit lower than I normally do, almost in the hollows of the cheek, because I want it to have that snatched look. And you'll see I'm going to come in next with something else, so I'm applying this a little bit lower. Couldn't choose between highlighters, so I chose this one. Is called Rose Gold, and this will be as a gift for my birthday. Anyone who makes a purchase between now and the end of February will receive a full Rose Gold highlighter on me. And so that's going to be a gift included with purchase this month. And then the creme de la creme lip color, and this color is called Sangria. This is from our Velvet Matte collection. This year, 2024, I am going to be wearing bold lip color. So I have a classic makeup look with bold lip color, and I'm wearing Sangria. Always remember, Velvet Matte, you apply it twice. And then here's a makeup artist tip, and that is after you clean up the edges with a cotton pad or Q-tip, you come in and you line around your lips with concealer. And this cleans up the edges and gives you an opportunity to make your lips look really snatched, sharpen the line, and perfect it. Come back in after you blended the concealer around your lips with powder, and I'm using again our dark blot powder. Blend that in again in the concealer areas, and pretty much you're done. I just touched up the highlighter and kind of did a little finishing, and that's it. That's my 2024 look. So thank you so much. You can get all these products at zennybeauty.com. Have a